Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. So that's the new automatic car wash at the Total Gilmore Drive right off Molynes. This is the Total Gilmore Drive. So what we're gonna do today, we're gonna do a quick check on the development. So right at the Molynes Road and Boulevard intersection, there's a Texaco across the road, and we're on the compound of the Total Gilmore Drive, which now has a automatic car wash, which a lot of persons are using. So we're gonna take a quick look on the construction of the Fosrich Super Center, which is being built right in front of your existing property, right, and also right beside Bert's Auto. So that's what we're going to take a look on today. So we're now on Molynes Road. We're going to go up Molynes Road to that direction. So first of all, I know I've been away for a little bit, so thank you guys for clicking on this video. Was working on some other stuff, so you guys will be getting a bit more frequent videos now. The drone is still down. We're still working on getting back a drone for the channel. So this video won't be a drone video, but we'll still try, you know, show as much as we can, so you guys can see the update on the construction of the mega warehouse slash super center for Fosrich lighting and electrical. So stay tuned, enjoy the drive. It's overcast. We're going through the rainy season right now, so rain may come down. So stay tuned for that as well. This may turn into a rain drive. So we're gonna drive to the location, then I show you guys just a quick review slash preview of what the construction looks like now. We know we won't be able to see a whole lot because the drone is down. But remember to like, remember to comment, remember to share. Really appreciate you guys. And thanks for watching, thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing. Everything that you do helps YouTube to spread the video to more persons that have never encountered the channel before. So really appreciate you guys. So stay tuned. It's not far from here. It's literally right around the corner. But most time of the day right here on Molynes Road coming from Halfway Tree is always full of traffic. So in the peak hour, which starts from 3 go back to about 6, crazy traffic. You know, bus and taxi take this road into 3 lanes. Everybody overtaking to go down. A lot of persons are saying they should convert this into 4 lanes, similar to what they did with Constant Spring Road and Agley Park Road as well. But I think that's a good idea, to be honest. Molynes Road is a very busy and popular thoroughfare, and I don't think they need to do the entire Molynes Road, especially the part, you know, that continues over the boulevard heading to Red Hills. But I think from the section of Halfway Tree down to the intersection of Boulevard, I think they can turn that into 4 lanes. So we're almost at the location for the new Fosrich Super Center. So the current Fosrich is right there on the right, that yellow building. So I'm gonna go into that lane. Yeah, I'm gonna go into that lane and go around, and then the new construction is right over here. We're gonna take this right turn. Alright, so this is the new Fosrich right here. Alright, so we're going on this road. And then we come back around and take a better look at the new construction for Fosrich. Even down here as well, which is a construction that I covered. Itel, which is a call center. They have 2 mega buildings down this side. One of them is occupied as a call center. recently completed. It's on the left, so this one is not yet occupied, but this one over here is occupied. So we're just gonna turn into this one. So this is a mega call center, 1, 2, 3, 4 floors. So down here it's turning into a little call center park. And again, I have a more detailed video on this construction. I'll put the links in the comment where I covered this construction more in depth. I'll also put the link for the drone video that I did when the drone was up for the new Fosrich as well. So let's go around this road. So we're gonna head back out to Fosrich. Can bet probably these house prices have gone up in terms of rent, because I know a lot of the BPO workers, same as the call center, they don't probably need a place to stay close to work. So persons would be renting out a spare room, that sort of stuff. Alright, so in front of us again is the construction. And I know a lot of persons look out for the drone videos because, you know, it show a whole lot, you know. But we don't have the drone, but the videos must go on. So this is the mega center. So it's right here. So it's wide. Alright. So I'll put the links for the drone video I did before the construction reached so far, and I'll put the drone video for the call center as well. So that's Bert's Auto, a very big building as well, right here. And then this is the Fosrich Super Center. That's almost finished in terms of construction. So again, guys, leave your comment, let me know what you think about the pace of the work, you know, how far the construction reach. I know they dig down the foundation, so I know there's a ground on the floor. Sorry, I know there's a floor underground. So that makes this basically 4 floors above ground, 1 underground, based on what I'm seeing so far. The most construction in Jamaica, you know, commercial, they tend to go 4 floors, 5 floors, unless it's probably a hotel going up or, you know, apartment complex going up. So that's what I tend to see. So not a long video, it's just a quick update, guys. So remember, let me know what you think in the comment section. And you guys will be getting more updates as well in terms of other constructions around Kingston. So I'll try to increase the videos for you guys. Alright guys, so see you on the next video. Maybe a driving video, maybe a city drive, a community drive, a rain drive. So you guys stay tuned, and thanks for watching. Really appreciate you guys.